Oh, there you are.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Looking for you.
Look at it, look at it. I know.
It's my first one.
Yeah, it's going up. Holy crap, that thing's huge. Hail. Hail or rain? Soon. No. It's gonna pass right over here. Over there. Look at that motion. I know. Slow motion. Ridiculous. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh my god. That's coming close, dude. Real close. Rob? Yeah. Nick, we need to that car is going right at it. Let's go. Look at that shit. Look at the secondary tornado on the side. Nick, we need to go. That's coming at us. That's not thunder. Huh? Yeah, it is thunder. It's gonna pass. It's passing to our right. Sure? I'm sure. Alright. Oh my goodness. Stop. That's not heading towards. Yes, it is. We need to go now, get on 65 and head south. I think it's still going to pass north of us, Rob. See the left edge is moving? Yeah. I see that. Yeah, it's right there. Oh my god, it can't be more than a half mile from us. No. Oh my god. Rob, let's go. Really? Yeah.